Today is the very first day pass holders get to preview the brand new Test Track 3.0 here at EPCOT, and I have no clue or idea what to expect. Is it just a visual upgrade? Is it a full-on reimagination? We're about to find out together, and trust me, I've been waiting for this moment since they announced it. Hey everyone, I'm Math Machine and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at EPCOT for the very first day of the Passholder Preview, the brand new Test Track 3.0. In this video, I'm taking you along for the full experience, starting with the detailed look for the upgraded queue, then we'll ride the ride together with a full POV, then wrap things up by checking the ride's exit to see any cool changes happen there. I haven't ridden it yet, so we're gonna experience this together for the first time. Let's see what Test Track 3.0 is all about.
I'll be your guide on today's journey.
And I'm your automated vehicle. Welcome to the test track.
We've always been dreaming about the road to tomorrow.
And now we set a course for the future.
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the world of today a little differently.
That's where I can help. Let me show you how I see the world.
By using advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises. Nicely done!
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help keep you powered up.
Smart road activated. Power transfer complete.
Smart roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle body.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Oh, let's try another. That looks good with the third row.
And here's one I think you'll really love.
Oh, I can get used to this.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Sure, it's always fun to be free.
Watch out!
I told you, I got this.
Right. Our road might have had some twists and turns, but the future is always just around the corner.
And together, we keep moving forward, finding new ways to drive to a brighter tomorrow.
Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon?
Wow.
Let's go.
test drive might be complete, but just ahead is the vehicle showcase, where you can explore the latest innovations from General Motors. Not to shift gears, but please remember to watch your step and take all of your personal belongings with you as you hit the road. You see what I did there?
I think you should just leave the jokes to me.
Alright, that was your first look at Test Track 3.0 during the Passholder Previews. I've got a lot of thoughts, but I'm saving all that for my full ride review, which will drop Thursday, so make sure you don't miss it. If you enjoy this sneak peek, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and tap that notification bell so you could be the first to see my full breakdown of the ride. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys.